everybody, this is Mibella again. Welcome back to my channel. So many of you requested for another affordable winter haul from Sarojini Nagar. I did one video last year and so many of you liked it. I'll leave the links in the island here if you want to watch that one as well. So today I'm back again with another winter haul. I'll be cheating and I'll be putting some tops as well which I really liked and I got it from Sarojini. So let's start with the haul straight away. So the first sweater that I want to show you is this green sweater. This is a knitted sweater that I absolutely loved. I love the color. I got it only for the color and it has a round boat neck kind of a thing and it has full sleeves. It's a very cozy, nice green colored knit sweater and I loved it. So I think it will fit me quite well. Since it's a little bit longer, on the longer side, I think it will go very well with a black inner because it's a little transparent and a black jeans or a black jeggings with a pair of biker boots and maybe a sling or a big boho bag. It will look very nice. This sweater was only for 100 rupees. The next sweater is my absolute favorite. First, it's black. Second, it has studs on it, and third, it was quite cheap. So I got this one. I absolutely love it. Again, look how cute it is. It has long sleeves. It's one of the softest material. It has many metal studs here of different sizes on your shoulders on both sides, and it has a simple round neck and a simple sweater. Yeah, so this is again one of my favorite. It will be one of my favorite and therefore I really liked it. This was only for 100 rupees again and I was very lucky to find it. So I absolutely love this one. This can be paired with any jeans or anything for that matter. So it's something that is very versatile and can go with anything. The next sweater is a baggy loose sweater from the brand Promo and I got it only for 100 rupees. I couldn't believe it, but yes. So this is quite a baggy one. It's loose even for me, but I really like wearing loose clothes with tighter jeans and boots and a bag. It looks very nice because a loose top and a tight bottom balances it out. So I really like it. It has a very nice leather like design in the front and it goes all the way down. The same kind of leather feel you have it in the back. So there's a buttonhole here and you have the same leather pattern here till the end of the sweater. So I really liked the detailing that has been done. Dark grey color is again one of my favorite. You'll have to wear an inner inside because it's quite transparent. It is full length again and it's a little bit high-low and I absolutely love it. Again, it will go very well with jeans, jeggings, get paired up with anything because it's dark grey. This was also for 100 rupees again. So I got all of them from different places but all of them were for 100 rupees. So my next purchase is a shrug, something that I love. It's so easy to throw it on top of any kurta or a top or even a dress, so it goes very well with many things. Shrugs. So I got one. I got a red one last year. I think I showed it in one of the videos. I absolutely loved that. So I was searching for another one and I got this blue colored, another favorite color of mine. So this is a waterfall shrug. It has layers here and it falls down on the front very nicely. So it's the perfect navy blue color. So this is how the pattern is in the front. It's a triangular shaped waterfall pattern. So if I wear it on top of this, I'm already wearing a sweater. So it falls, the pattern here falls up like this, like as if it's a pleated form. So I really loved this shrug. It was only for 120 rupees again and it's an absolute bargain. These kind of shrugs, if you go and buy it from Forever 21 or H&M, it will cost you minimum 1500 rupees. So next thing that I got is a blazer. I really wanted one because Delhi winters, they are very extreme, so I thought why not. I wanted something very lightweight, so I was searching for one. I wanted to pay even higher amount, so I was searching for it even in like bigger shops, but I couldn't get it. All of them were so heavy blazers. I went to Sarojini on Monday and there were this pile of 100 rupees blazers and I was looking through all of them and all of them were so heavy and I suddenly got this one and this is so lightweight, I cannot even tell you. So this is so light and that was the only reason I got it, and also it fit me perfectly. It's jet black and it's the perfect length. It's a very nice blazer. It doesn't have a collar. Otherwise you have this collared neck. This doesn't have one. So it's almost like a Chinese collar, but not Chinese collar. You don't have any buttons in the front, but I will buy buttons and I'll put it here. You have a pocket here in the front, 2 pockets, and buttons on your sleeves. It has a very nice new lining. I'll have to wash this before I wear it because 100 rupee coats, you cannot really trust the kind of hygiene that they would maintain. So yeah, so this is how it would look like. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you wear it, and I really like it. It's a perfect size as well. So yeah. So the last winter thing that I've got is a birthday gift from my cousin. So this is from Bixi in Sarojini Nagar, and this is I think for 999 rupees, and this is so soft, I cannot even tell you. It's one of the softest material ever. Obviously it was costly, so it will be of very good quality. So this is how it looks like. It's a plain white sweater pullover, and it has very cute dots all over the sweater. I mean, these are so pretty, so cute. I don't know if it's getting reflected on camera, but it has white dots all over it like candle wax, and I really love it. This is something right up my alley because simple plain white with minimalistic design, some very few design here and there is what I really like, and this will go so well with blue jeans, light blue jeans, and black boots. So I'm looking forward to wearing this one, thanks to my cousin. The next few things that I want to show you are not winter clothes, but things that I really liked, and I got it when I went to Sarojini this time. So the first one is this very cute top. Look how cute it is. I love the color. It is a blue and white top with elastic on the shoulder so that you can wear it like off shoulder, or you can just wear it like a simple top. It has such cute thread tassels on the shoulders, as well as below here where the top ends. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. Color and the design is something that is like my type, and therefore I like it very much. This one was for I think 100 rupees again, and I got it from the People Tree area. So another top that I'm obsessed with is this blue top. These are like full length tops with elastics in the bottom so that you can just tuck it in, and yeah, I loved this because again, just like what I said earlier, it is a simple top with a design on the shoulder pads. So it doesn't have any shoulder pads, but it's on the shoulder where the pads would be generally. It has this very cute bead design, and I really like it on both the sides. Otherwise, it's a very simple top, and the color is so nice. I'm obsessed with it. I know I'll be wearing this quite a lot, and again, this was for 150 rupees. The next top that I got is a cotton top, very cute again, very simple. It has full sleeves with buttons which you can button it up or keep it loose. You may make it formal or casual, it's your choice. It has a thread like thing here in the front, and I love the detailing here. You also have buttons here and a beautiful designs of sequins. So I love anything that has sequins in it, and this has one, so I had to buy it. It's so plain and so simple, yet there is an element that makes it different, and this is what I love about this particular white top. The last thing that I want to show you is this shirt. It's a graphic tee with New York City written on it, longer t-shirt. So I got this to wear it at home when I'm sleeping, so as a night wear, and it was for only 100 rupees. So I got this one. It has nothing on the back, so, and the other thing that I like is it's of a very good cotton quality. Generally you don't get these in 100 rupees, so I got, and this is a new one. It's not like used, so it's a new t-shirt. I know it's a little big even on camera, but it's nice because if you're wearing it at home while sleeping, you would want something comfortable. They had many other designs as well. They even had one in SpongeBob SquarePants, so I absolutely love that one, but that was like extremely big, so I did not get it. So these are everything that I got from Sarojini Nagar market. I couldn't go there quite a lot of time this entire month because I was very busy with work and other stuff. So these are everything that I got. Apart from this, I think I got this very cute necklace made. This I got from eBay. I just thought of mentioning it because I like it a lot. So it has my name on it, Simi Bella. Okay, so I got this from eBay and it has Simi Bella written on it. I don't know whether you can see the mirror image or you can see the real image, but it's Simi Bella and I absolutely adore it. I was so happy when I received it. And you can personalize your own names and you can gift it to your friends, to your family, whoever you want to gift it to. I'll leave the links if you want in the description box down below. I got this for only 350 rupees. So I think for a personalized stuff, 350 is not that bad a deal. So yeah, I got this one. I wanted to share it with you guys so much. So I hope you like the video. If you do like it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and interesting videos. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.